Imagine for a moment, you're in a supermarket, and you accidentally walk out with a chocolate bar you didn't pay for because you thought your friend had paid for it. That's a classic example of a mistake of fact. In the fascinating world of law, there exist two types of mistakes that can form the backbone of a defense in certain cases. These are mistakes of fact, relating to the circumstances, and mistakes of law, pertaining to legal principles. These concepts stem from the Latin maxims, ignorantia facti excusat, and ignorantia juris non excusat, translating to ignorance of fact is an excuse, and ignorance of the law is no excuse, respectively. A mistake of fact could suggest that an individual has unknowingly committed an act that constitutes a crime. In these instances, the accused could potentially be absolved of any offenses requiring mens rea, the intention or knowledge of wrongdoing, as they were operating under a factual mistake and hence never formed the necessary mens rea. Turning our attention to contract law, a contract could be considered void if the consent was obtained by mistake. This is because such consent is not considered free. Mistakes can operate in two ways. They can either defeat the consent altogether or mislead the parties regarding the purpose they had in mind. This principle is embodied in Section 20 of the Indian Contract Act. However, a mistake of law relating to any law in force in India cannot serve as a defense as per Section 21 of the Indian Contract Act. If both contracting parties commit a mistake of any law in force outside Indian territory, it becomes a defense, similar to a mistake of fact, and the contract is void. But if only one party commits the same mistake of law, the contract remains valid and no defense is granted. In the realm of tort law, if an individual intentionally inflicts harm upon another or violates their rights, they cannot claim a defense even if they believed their actions were justified. However, if an individual acted under a mistaken belief, they may use the defense of mistake to avoid liability. As we conclude, it's important to note that in a legal suit, a person who commits a mistake of facts in good faith gets complete defense under both penal and civil laws. This intricate and complex field of law is truly a testament to the importance of understanding and interpreting the facts correctly. So delve deeper into this topic, engage in some research, and perhaps join the conversation in the comments section below. If you like and understand the concept, please like, share and subscribe my Legal AI channel and stay healthy, blessed, curious, and keep learning.